Hey everybody, we are in the beginning of March and I wanted to give you guys a garden tour. Ta-da! Like I can't even get in here. There's still so much snow in the way. So, not happening, right? Here's our garden, what it looks like for the next a month or something like that. So up here in northern Michigan, we just don't get to start planting until middle of May. Any seeds in the ground and any seedlings like tomatoes and warm crops I don't plant until the first week of June. So you may be seeing a lot of catalogs coming in, a lot of videos, a lot of people talking about gardening and stuff. But if you're in a northern climate like I am in 4B, there's no planting anytime soon. So the only thing I'm going to be starting in the beginning of April, I will actually seed start some of my seeds that like the warm weather, like on my broccoli, cauliflower, peppers, tomatoes, stuff like that. So hold on tight, don't get started yet. A little too cool to start anything up here in a northern climate, but there's a lot of potential here underneath all the snow, don't you think? All right, bye.